Solve this very important question in 1 minute or see this 3 times. From RN8, this question on capacitor. Namaste bachon. Today we are going to be doing a very important question from capacitance on from RN8. If you have not subscribed to RN8, अभी subscribe करो क्योंकि बहुत सारा questions आपको मिलने वाला है, bomber questions from each of these chapters for JEE and NEET practice. The simple question looks simple, but it's an interesting question on capacitance. It's पूछा है कि hollow cylinder has a charge Q, उसके अंदर चार्ज है Q, flux of B दिया हुआ है in voltmeter that is given as phi. He wants you to know what is the flux through the plane surface A. हमें पता है कि whenever there is a flux that is associated with any surface that is equal to, what is it? The total flux that is there. Whatever is the total flux that you can take of the particular substance, and that is given by Q by epsilon. You know this, right? So if you know the total flux that of the surface, you know in this case that the total flux है वो cylinder है, तो उसके कारण उसका total flux जो है, actually this total flux can be written as the flux through A plus flux through B plus flux through C. है कि नहीं? Right? Flux through A and C are same, which is nothing but 2 times the flux of A plus the flux of B हो गया total, which is equal to Q by epsilon. तो हमें चाहिए flux of A. बहुत simple है, इसको वहां पे लेके आओ. तो what do you get? Therefore, the total flux of A becomes Q by epsilon minus phi, और ये whole thing into half. Correct? So this becomes your answer. Let us go check it back and see what is it that is given in the answer part. देखो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन दिया है और ये बन गया हमारा आंसर. Right? See you more with more such things. Don't forget to subscribe RN NEET. Thank you.